is the Instant Vortex air fryer. I'm gonna take it out of the box and let you guys see how it looks. Instapot Vortex, all set up here. Fits in the space, really convenient. Nice and small as well. See, you open it. It lets you know that it's open. Pretty nice though, pretty easy to pick up. Slide it right in there. If I can get to stay. Here's all the features on there. You got the air fryer, roast, put the time and temp, bake, reheat. So, set the time, roast, and air fryer. That's what it sounds like. Really fresh. I like the red color as well. But yeah, highly recommend it.